Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the fuel filter on some Opels that have the 1.7 diesel engine. This fuel filter is installed on Opel Corsa, Opel Astra, Opel Vectra. To remove the fuel filter, first we need to remove the center bolt and also the electrical connector. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the bolt is removed, we're just going to lift the fuel filter cap, and the fuel filter is underneath. Now we're going to take out the old fuel filter and put on the new fuel filter. That's the new fuel filter that I'm going to be using. Now we're going to put the new fuel filter in, and there is an O-ring that we need to replace as well. The O-ring, you'll see where exactly it is. I'll show you now. That's the O-ring right there. Now we're going to replace that O-ring, and then we're going to fill the fuel filter housing with fuel all the way to the top. Now we're going to fill the fuel filter housing all the way to the top with diesel. This way it will be easier to bleed the fuel system, and we'll be able to start the car. Now that the fuel filter housing is filled with diesel all the way to the top, next we're going to put the fuel filter cap back on, and we're going to put the bolt back on and tighten it, and then we're going to put the electrical connector. Now that the fuel filter is replaced, we're gonna go inside the car and try to start the car. This car doesn't have electric supply fuel pump in the tank, So when we start the car, we just need to give it a lot of gas, hold it to about 3 or 4,000 RPM for about 10 or 15 seconds, so that the fuel system self-bleeds itself, and then afterwards we can let the gas, and then we can turn off the car, and we're done with replacing the fuel filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.